How to vacuum seal your first bag using the Magic Vac Jumbo 30 Evo Plus vacuum sealer. Once you have the sealer unpacked, make sure you plug in the power cord on the back left side and then turn on the power switch. For this demonstration, we're going to use one of the sample bags that came with the sealer, which is an 8x12 quart size bag, and we're going to go ahead and vacuum seal a lime for this demonstration. So load the lime in the bag, and then all we have to do is open the lid. We're going to place the opening of the bag within the red vacuum channel. That's where the air is sucked out of the bag from, and then make sure that the bag is nice and smooth across the seal bar. And then we'll go ahead and lower the lid, click lock both sides so that's locked in place. It does have a viewing window so you can view to make sure that the bag is properly placed. Then we're going to keep our seal time setting at the default setting of medium, and then all we have to do is press the auto vac and seal button to start the vacuum process. As the vacuum cycle is running, you'll notice that the gauge shows the level of vacuum, and then whenever it's under the seal cycle, the light begins to flash. Once the sealing is complete, the vacuum gauge will go down. You'll hear the vacuum release. That means it is finished. So all you have to do is press the red levers on each side of the lid to unlock it. Open it up. And then you're going to check your bag. Make sure your seal is nice and consistent all the way across. Make sure you have a nice tight vacuum on your product. And if so, you are ready for storage.